Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And I am back with some exciting news. You guys know Esha, right? Esha products by Janet Collection. The products that I am a advocate for, that I use religiously, they literally just came out with a brand new line of products. But actually, it's not really new. It's the same products, but new packaging. So you guys, Esha'S new packaging, and I'm also going to be installing a lace wig from Janet Collection using the products. Just in case you might have forgotten how Esha products work, you know, maybe it's been a little minute or whatever the case is, but I'm here to refresh your memory. So if you would like to see more, then keep watching. Haven't bought any Esha products, you're living under a rock. Basically, Esha is literally everywhere. Every beauty supply store you go to, there are Esha products. Esha products are super affordable and they're great for lace wigs, and they're also great for lace wig beginners. You guys know Esha has their Garden Grip Primer. Basically, the primer is that you spray it on top of the hairline before you add any lace glue or lace spray. So it's just like a primer, like a face primer. When you put on primer, you put on your makeup so that it stays on all day. The same thing for your wigs. This is how the old packaging looked. And if you can't really see it that clearly, which you should be able to, I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you can see how it used to look. And this is the brand new Esha packaging. Hold on. Coconut scent. Hold up. Oh, it's coconut. Hold on for a minute. It's coconut scent. So what changed? Coconut scent. And the packaging, it's more purple. It's a little bit bigger than the old one, as you can see. So it has a little bit more product in it. So now we have Esha'S Melt and Slay Lace Wig Bond Absolute, and it looks like this. Again, I will insert a picture on the side if you can't see it too clearly, but this is how it looks. Old packaging for the Esha'S Lace Wig Bond, it looked like this. And it actually was a little bit smaller than this. I believe it comes a little bit bigger, but it looked like this. It was just a purple bottle. We have Esha'S Daily Edge Lace Mousse, the Foam Edge Tamer. And this is the old packaging. It looks like this. And the new packaging really shocked me because I never knew that this will come this huge. It literally is like a blown up version of this, and it scared me when I opened the packages. I was like, whoa, this is big. But I was just like so excited because I was like, you know how much wigs I can slay using this? This is the new one, you guys. Bam! Look at this big baby right here. This is the old, this is the new. What? So like I said, it's the same exact thing. They're both the setting mousse infused with castor oil. It hydrates and adds shines, alcohol free, tames frizz, defines curls, same for all hair types, wigs and braids. So this is the one that you can use around your edges. You can use this for curly hair too, because you know when you have your curly wig and you want to like make it wet and like soft, you can use this mousse. It's literally mousse, but you also use this for your edges. And last but not least, guys, we have Esha'S Daily Glueless Lace Spray. It's fast drying, 24-hour hold, safest on the skin. This is how the old one looks. The old one's a little bit beat up, y'all. She lost the top. The top was gold, by the way. It was a gold top. And I'll insert a picture, as I said before, in case you don't remember how it looked. But this is pretty much glueless. So if you don't want to use lace glue, you don't like to use lace glue, or you just don't have the time to use lace glue, because you know lace glue, you got to dry it, then sometimes you got to put 2, 3, 4 layers. If you don't have time for all of that, this is the best thing to go to, because you literally spray it and it holds your wig really well. So this is the old packaging and this is the new packaging. Like, it's just, I can't explain how gorgeous this is. Like, it's gorgeous. It's, first of all, it's pink, my favorite color, pink. It gives me that old school like hairspray vibe. Like, you guys know, growing up when your mom used to do your hair and she had like that big bottle like hairspray, it gives me that old school hairspray vibe, but it's for a wig. So that's what I love about it the most. And it says it's fast drying, 24-hour hold, gentle on the skin. Behind, it gives you directions of how to use it. Strong hold, easy to use, safe and gentle, versatile, convenient. You simply spray a small amount around your hairline and spread it evenly. Layer lace on top and work in sections. Use a blow dryer on medium heat to activate the hold. You can enjoy a flawless look all day. All you gotta use is water to take it off. That's all you gotta use. But yeah, so this is the new Esha'S Melt and Slay Daily Glueless Lace Spray. It's just so pretty. I just love it. I'm just so happy that I've got to be a part of their new Esha line in general, and then their new Esha line packaging. So I really appreciate that, for letting you guys let me be a part of this Janet collection. I really appreciate it because I love oil products so much. So with that being said, right into installing one of Janet Collection's wigs and using all of Esha'S products. Now, let me share the wig that I'm going to be installing today. Whew. It's been kind of a minute since I wore a Janet Collection wig. Maybe, maybe not. Well, since I've installed one on my channel, because trust me, honey, I still have the wigs and I wear them religiously. But to install one on my channel, it's been a little minute, so I'm excited. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing using Esha'S new repackaged products. So it's Janet Collection's Melt Transparent Natural Hairline with a 13x6 frontal part. 13 6-inch parting, okay? 100% hair tied. It's pre-plucked, pre-customized, natural hairline. The style is in a Kinky wig 28-inch, that's the style of it, and the color is a number 2. It says 100% hair tied on 13x6 frontal part, adjustable elastic wig band, pre-installed, heat resistant fibers, safe up to 360 degrees. Wow. And it's a side part. Oh, you can put a side part or a center part. You guys know how I do. If you want a side part, you put it to the side, so you put it to the front. This is how the hair looks, you guys. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. It's giving fabulous. Look at the freaking hairline. Literally out the package, this is how the hairline looks. Wow. Well, I didn't even do anything to it yet. We're gonna do now. I'm just gonna pop this right off because we don't even need this no more. And this is a glueless wig, so yes, honey, it was easy to pop off. So we don't even need this anymore. And I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this tag out. Okay, guys. So let me just adjust the clips. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. I don't even think I have to tint the lace. I mean, I probably will still because I don't think this is exactly my color. But look at this. Like, I don't have to pluck it. There's baby hairs. Look at all this edge right here. The hair is soft and bouncy and big. Okay, I'm so excited. I just want to go ahead and install this. looks from the back. Super glamorous. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Esha and Janet Collection. Guys, if you are interested in buying some Esha products, please look at all the links in my description box. I love you and I'll see you in my next video.